Everybody act natural.
Okay.
Hi girls, how is everything? I'm back.
Hello, dear mother. Hi, mommy.
OMG, you guys, act natural. Oh no, forgot to put the brush away. Hi Mom, welcome back. You're back earlier than I thought you would be. Yes, I was worried, so I tried to finish what was needed to be done at the hospital early so I could come home. Oh, you didn't have to come home early. You